Hi Dixons, I'm Lydia Gale, Head of English at Dixons Macmillan Academy. Today's episode is all about large group teaching and why we embed it as part of our culture and routines. At Dixons, we believe that deliberate practice helps to make our students successful. For many of our schools, part of our daily routine involves gathering as a larger group, often as a whole year group, to deliver key content in a lecture-style format. Or it could come in the form of collective quizzing on core knowledge or deliberate practice of skills. Large group teaching allows learning to take place flexibly, consistently, and with mass impact. It means that we can foster a culture of high expectations for all. It enables consistency of message. Students feel empowered and united in their purpose and in their successes. We know that it means that subject specialists can deliver the powerful knowledge and give additional time to embed and practice curriculum content. And what's most important is that no opportunity for learning is wasted. So what do our students think? Large group teaching has its challenges, but by fostering a culture of high expectations and positive narration of expectations, striving for success and hard work is normalised in a public routine of purposeful, deliberate practice in schools where a culture of mutual respect allows students to learn no matter how large the group.